Stanton?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I just want to start this off by saying a big thank you to anyone who's subscribed to me this far. It's crazy, honestly. I know it's like such a small milestone. It's only 100 subscribers, but to me, that, like, if you put 100 people in a room, there's a lot of people in that room, and that many people chose to, subscribe to me, and that means a lot. So today is going to be our 100 subscriber special. We are going to cook a full English breakfast out of the truck. So we're gonna go get some groceries right now to cook that meal, and then we're gonna head north. So see you guys in the grocery store. Tomato, tomato, beans, and bread. Show on the road. Nice.
No photos. Next time I'm in church, please no photos. Police escorts, everybody pass.
Look at it, it's a fox, guys. He's a little further away, but I love it here. Look at him just waddling along the road. Bye, dude. Alright, we made it to the spot. I was actually going to go further down the road, but I seen this. I was like, this is better. So yeah, let's get cooking. You know, we had to go for the real British proper beans. Some proper beans. Now, mind you, I don't really like beans, but we're doing it for the culture. We don't really have a bread knife, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Let's cut off. Oh, like butter, come on. Who needs a bread knife? There you go. Okay, breakfast is served, or should I say supper? I mean, breakfast for supper is kind of sweet though. So this is a lot of food. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just go in for it, I guess. Let's try a taste test here with these. This is what the British people do. They put the beans on their toast. We're getting proper here today, ladies and gentlemen. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, the recipe, a proper English breakfast, calls for back bacon, but I couldn't find any, so we just got normal bacon today. But, oh well. How are you even supposed to tackle a tomato like this? Like, do you just eat it like an apple? That's what I'm gonna do. Juicy one. Sprayed me in the nose. Okay. Cue time lapse of me eating all this food. I'm gonna call it here, guys. Here, I'll do one bite out of this. Let's go fishing. All right, we made it to the spot up in the Narrows. I've usually had good luck here offshore. It's November 2nd today. I've never ever fished this late into the season. I mean, like ice fishing, but like when it's still open water like this. So we'll see how the bite is. I'm excited, but okay, well, I don't know, what was that, 30-minute fish? I just kind of wanted to see if we could get a nibble or something, but there's fish jumping, but these whitefish, they're so weird. Like, I'll be here sometimes and they're jumping all over the place, you know, and they just never bite. So I want to go to the main lake and go watch the sunset and just kind of maybe relax a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna pack it up and hop in the truck.
I want a quick death and an easy one. I want this drink and another one, yeah. And I'm triple some, yeah. I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubble gum, yeah.
It's not gonna be too cold tonight. -4 degrees Celsius. I think -6 is the coldest, which is not too bad. I can deal with that. The sun sets at 5:27 though, so I'm gonna get out there and oh, it's a beautiful day. I'm not sure if we're gonna get like an ideal sunset because the sunset position kind of changes when it gets winter time. I don't know if we're gonna get like that beautiful, you know, sun glistening off the lake, which is unfortunate, but sunset's still a sunset. So I was hoping we'd see some elk coming into town. That's such a weird thing to say. See some elk coming into town, but that's Waskesiu for you, man. Oh, that is borderline freezing. Oh, getting some hang time now, boy. Hey. Just because you're a grown man doesn't mean you can't bust down on the swings from time to time. Come on. Time to head back to the truck. Get cozy for a bit. Lakers game's on at 8:30, but it's like 5:30, so it's like, what do I do till then? Winter truck camping. You either gotta figure out how to go to bed at like 7 o'clock or figure out something to do in your truck for 5 hours. I just feel like a bum, you know, watching YouTube. I think I should be doing something productive, but I don't have a laptop, so I can't. Oh well. Look at the fluorescent pink skies, though. Looks like cotton candy. All right. I'm not in like the most secluded spot. There's no one up here, so like I'm like the only vehicle that it's kind of like sticking out like a sore thumb, you know, like. But it's like, to me, it's like there's no one even up here. It's November, like you don't even have to pay to get into the park right now. Like, is someone really gonna kick me out? And the worst thing that happens is someone knocks on my window and says, you gotta leave. It's like, okay, and then you leave. But like, I'm gonna take my chances. Like, I'm just parked in the beach parking lot. I'll show you. Like, it's definitely not secluded at all, but I'm gonna put my things up on my windshield and hop in the back. But yeah, I'm not too worried about it. Like, I seen one park guy when I seen him over by the Narrows, and yeah, I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna set up my shades. And so normally I would do reflective side out, but we kind of want heat, so we're gonna put the black side out. Okay, all done. Okay, getting tucked in right now. Don't want to keep these lights on for too long because don't want to give myself away, but just want to let you guys know we're all tucked in and just watching YouTube right now, patiently waiting for the Lakers game to come on. All that salt earlier in that food, like, oh my god, I can just feel like my veins just like constricting my body. Like, I probably consumed like close to a couple kilograms of sodium just between the sausage and bacon. So just kind of letting my body do its thing. The worst part about getting in here and getting all cozy, like I'm in my sleeping bag and everything, and then realizing you gotta piss. And then not having a piss jug, it's like. So I'm gonna get up. It's about 10 o'clock now. It's been a couple hours since I last talked to you guys. I'm gonna get up and chuck a piss, and then probably head to bed, honestly. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay. Piss has been chucked. What are I gonna do? But I think that's gonna be our cue to head to bed, guys. So I'm gonna get some sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. Wish me luck, and let's hope I stay warm. Good morning. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock right now. It's time to get up. Oh, winter is coming, ladies and gentlemen. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a cold one this morning. Okay, I put my gloves on to hold the camera because it was freaking too cold for my hand. I think I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I really want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. It means the world to me. Just once again, I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I just love putting out good content for you guys. I really enjoy doing it, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. So stay tuned for every Wednesday. Every Wednesday we're going to be dropping fire content like this. And winter's coming. Winter's coming. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and take care. Peace.
Society, you're crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely.